Hello there, my friends. So I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to use this STEAM teaching kit that's for basically 8 through 12-year-olds. And it basically shows them how to wire a circuit, right? So here you have a battery pack. So anytime you're using electricity, you want to be careful, but you want to show these kids how to do things too. So the red lines are going to like be the hot leads, right? And then the blue are going to be connected to like a ground. And I have mine set up back here. And so I just want to show you how easy it is for the kids to do this. There's the wiring, it's kind of ingenious. It's just like a spring. So like I can show you here. This little tool right here. So all they have to do is put the wire like right inside this spring. So basically if I go like this, I can pull this wire out and put it back in, and it'll complete the circuit. And then I guess I got to show it to you in action. It's pretty cool. Doesn't do a whole lot. There's 3 things, you know, here, but it gets the point across, right? So hit the switch, turn this on. This blower goes off. So then you can show them like, oh, that's pretty cool. Turn that off. Oh, you have to do that again. Aha! And then you can launch the rocket too. So let's just show, like, for instance, if I do this, separate the circuit here, that's not going to work anymore. But this light's still on, so you know that the circuit's being completed somewhere. So if I put it back in, there you go. That's relatively safe. And then this rocket launches too, which is pretty cool. So like a steam-powered rocket. Anyway, it's a pretty cool toy. It's not very expensive. Link is in the description below. Just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to use and set up. And there's these little pegs, this little pegboard where everything can like kind of sit in here. So you can just pull things out and move them around as you wish and rearrange them on the board. And you can hook up all 3 of these things at once, or you can hook up just one at a time. And I think it's a good learning tool. And it's relatively safe. Of course, you want to be under adult supervision at all times. But yeah, I want to thank the people who sent me this in the mail so that I could do the review for you. And yeah, everybody have a good one. Take care.